everyone, we're going to do a step from a dance called cha-cha-cha. And I have my beautiful assistants here. And the step we are going to do is called a time step. And it's one of the basic figures in the cha-cha-cha. And it goes like this. We change weight from foot to foot, 2, 3, then we go side, close, side, pointing the free leg. We close and change again, 2, 3, side, close, side. Very good. Let's try it a little faster, guys. Are you ready? And we go 2 and 3 and cha-cha, 1, 2 and 3 and cha-cha, 1. All right, now let's try this with the music. Let's get into our positions. We don't forget about our postures. 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 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 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Posture, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, keeping elbows in place. Cha-cha, 1, shoulders down. 1, 2, 3, pointing the leg. Cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, keeping the neck long. Cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, 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 cha-cha, 1. Very good, you guys. That was beautiful. We hope you try this time step together with us. And thank you for joining us.